In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace yard sale pages as part of our minimalism series. Navigating these platforms effectively can serve as a fantastic way to declutter while making some extra cash. To kick things off, start by searching Facebook for yard sale pages in your area by typing something like your city yard sale or buy and sell into the search bar. You'll find a variety of groups to join. It's important to choose those with active members and regular daily posts to maximize your selling opportunity. Also, before diving in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with each group's rules, as some have specific restrictions, such as banning resellers or cross-posting links. Now, let's tackle decluttering, a key aspect of our minimalism theme. Wander through your home and identify items you no longer use. These could be clothes that no longer fit your style, kitchen gadgets gathering dust, or spare furniture that's just taking up space. Keeping these items aligned with your minimalistic approach will simplify your choices and ensure you're focusing on eliminating true clutter. Once you know what you want to sell, it's essential to capture great photos of your items. Harness natural daylight by snapping pictures near a window during the day. A simple background like a plain wall or a clear surface helps keep the focus on the item itself. Remember to take shots from multiple angles, front, back, and close-ups to give potential buyers a comprehensive view. With your photos ready, it's time to create your listing on Facebook Marketplace. Head over to the Marketplace section and select Create New Listing, then choose Item for Sale. Fill out all the necessary details, starting with a descriptive title. For example, wooden coffee table, great condition, gives buyers instant insight into what you're selling. Set a competitive price by researching similar items in your vicinity and categorize accurately, whether it's furniture, electronics, or clothing. Clearly state the condition of your item, be it new or gently used, and provide an honest description, noting details like size, color, and any notable flaws. Once your listing is complete, extend its reach by posting to the yard sale groups you've joined. More visibility increases your chances of a quicker sale, so don't hesitate to cross-post to multiple groups at the same time. When interest picks up, engage with potential buyers promptly. Clarify all necessary details like price, pickup time, and location through messaging. To ensure safe transactions, decide on public meeting places or consider a porch pickup if it's safe in your community. Common payment options include cash, Gcash, or cash on delivery, so choose one that suits you both best. Finally, as you meet up, ensure you arrive on time and count the payment before handing over the item. Once the transaction is completed, mark the item as sold on Facebook Marketplace to avoid any further inquiries and conclude your sale with clarity. This straightforward approach ensures a smooth selling experience and helps keep your listings organized.